Hi guys, I'm Daniel Rodero, and for my personal project, I'm going to show you how to create shirts and how to identify trends that are going on, not just by researching, but also by paying attention to the people around you and your friends, and it's very simple. As you can see in the video, I'm focusing on basketball as my theme for the shirts, but however, this way of designing can help you not only with basketball shirts, it can also help you with other pictures that you want to cut out certain parts and put them into shirts. And I'll also show you which website I use to create these shirts. Okay, so first of all, right now, as you can see, there I am cutting out the shapes of several players. At first it should be easy, but most of the times, as you can see in the video, many parts are hard to cut out because the background is white in the first case, the one that I'm doing right now. And well, first to select the whole shape, you have to press W. And then if Photoshop does not recognize that shape, you then press L for the small chunks, as I did before. Later, I will show you a better example of this for the following photo. But yeah, it's basically that. W is for means that you're doing an automatic lasso, and L is for the small parts, like the small chunks of this lasso, which is what it's called in the Photoshop term. As you can see here, we try to select it all. However, it does not select it all, so we have to deselect some parts. And yeah, that's basically it for these starting cases. As you can see, I'm here using the small lasso to select all of James' arm. And yeah, after you select all of the shape that you want to select, what you do is you delete the background. So do not deselect the shape until the whole background is deleted. As you can see right here, I don't start to delete the shape until it's still selected when I start to delete it. Furthermore, sometimes you may see that whilst you are deleting things, you accidentally delete a part of the shape you want to add to the shirt, which then what you have to do is try to select it all again pretty well. And yeah, that's some of the things that takes a lot of time, some of the hardest things to select all of those small parts, which I'm not showing in here how to select all of the small parts because I'm trying to do it as fast as possible, so this video doesn't seem too long or too boring for the viewers that are watching it. Now that I've covered the basics about how to create my designs and all of that, I think it is the right time to start to explain my how I identified the trends. So first of all, I had to find the target audience, what age group I wanted to project it to. As from the start, I knew that I wanted to focus it towards people that are fans of basketball, which are young ages between 30 and below, usually. I started to search which are the ages that spend most percentage of their income in clothes. And then in glamour.com, I found out that it's usually college students that are 20 or under, or not necessarily college students, just students spend a high amount of their income in clothes, which is what made me think that, first of all, it is an age group close to me, so only by observing that I could, by observing the people that are close to me, I could explain, I could find out what is trendy right now. I could ask people, friends and families that are my age, about what clothes they'd like to see and so on. So first of all, I just started to talk to people that are my age or close to that age, above, yeah, like between 16 to 20 years of age, and it seems like people, of course, they did like shirts because it's something that they put on a daily basis. But furthermore, they also liked hoodies, which made me think, instead of just doing shirts, I can do both of them, and my customers can have the choice to or buy one, the shirt, the hoodie, or both. Yeah, and basically, if you want to have a different target people, like a group of people as your target for your customers, what you have to do basically is just talk to people that are that age, because what I found out by researching online is that it's more of like a very high class type of what is on fashion right now. It's things that are a very high price, and you're not going to get lots of sales. Yes, you will get maybe a lot of income because of that, but not lots of sales. And the goal of the product is for people to express their feelings, and if only and the best way to reach towards more people is by selling to more people so they can express their feelings instead of just selling it to less people by a higher price. Finally, as you can see in the screen right now, I am creating the shirts. I'm just going to create one of them because, as I said before, I don't want this video to be too long, because if not, it's going to be very boring, and the basics can be covered in just one example. As you can see here, you just get the picture you want, you put it there, you can select the text that you want, the type of font, you can select it all there. Here I'm writing GOAT, which means greatest of all time, for the player there, which can it lets people express what they feel. If they feel that he's the best player of all time, well, yeah, that's it. And there it says that LBJ, referring to LeBron James, is better than Michael Jordan, which many consider the best player of all time. But if you think that James is the best player of all time, this shirt is good. Right now, I'm changing the colors. I kind of want to make the shirt more spread out so it doesn't have many empty spaces. I try to make the goat go between his arms so it looks more aesthetically pleasing. Put that down a bit so it can cover it all. You can also change the color of the shirt, as you can see, and you can also turn it around in this website, which is customink.com. Here I'm writing the name of my brand, which is W, and you want to make sure that the name of your brand is big so people know it, see it, and they can later contact you or contact the brand and buy some of it or just see it. And yeah, basically that. Here I'm writing something else, which is the player that is their nickname, King James. And right now I'm going to show you how to also create the same thing but with a hoodie. As you can see, you press on select product. You can select many products there, but I'm going to do a hoodie right now. You just press select product, and right now it's changed. You can change it a bit because you cannot put any pictures on the pocket. Right now you can turn around and you see that the white it's not very good with it. So I'm going to select the same color that I had before, which is there. And yeah, that is basically it. Thank you for watching, and hope to see you soon.
I'm on some shit like, now I do what I want. 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 Everybody know I'm better. Yeah, I'm better. It don't matter. Pockets fatter. Nowadays I'm on my haters, they got sadder. That's money longer. Different song, bruh. Different producer. But I can do anything and I won't lose her. She got right. Winner left that loser. Talking shit, boy, make me get my Ruger. Yeah, I sell my Ruger. All my niggas, they shooters. Rocking them grills all the way till my tooth hurt. Oh, he cold? Well, I swear that I'm cooler. That ain't no rolling, bitches is a Frank Mueller. Yeah, Frank Mueller. Boy, I start on the bottom, made my way to the top. Boy, I'm gon' keep winning. No, I cannot stop. Remember I had a little, turned that shit to a lot. Always been 100, put that on my block. Used to want that 4-door, now I want that drop. Yeah, now I do what I want. 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 Girl, you see me getting this money. Whoa, please don't front. Fish club when I'm eating. Whoa, what's for lunch? And them boys back home be talking, but I won't get touched. Make for myself how I survive. No one who I trust. No one who I trust. Who them niggas know they not with us. All these girls, yeah, they ride with us. I don't pay no mind because I just want the bucks. Boy, I start on the bottom, made my way to the top. Boy, I'm gon' keep winning. No, I cannot stop. Remember I had a little, turned that shit to a lot. Always been 100, put that on my block. Used to want that 4-door, now I want that drop. Yeah, now I do what I want. 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 Now I do what I want.